Your windows play a major role in keeping your Gilbert home comfortable, efficient, and beautiful. But like any part of your home, they don't last forever. With Arizona's intense sun, dust, and temperature swings, older windows can wear down faster, leading to higher bills, reduced comfort, and visible deterioration. If you're wondering whether it's time for new windows, vinyl replacement windows are one of the most popular choices for Gilbert homeowners thanks to their durability, low maintenance, and energy-saving benefits. Here are the top signs it's time to make the switch. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed your cooling costs creeping up each season, your older windows could be the culprit. Single-pane or aging aluminum windows often struggle to keep heat out during Arizona's triple-digit summers. When windows lose their insulating power, your HVAC system has to work significantly harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Vinyl windows, especially those with modern low-E coatings and insulated frames, help block heat transfer and keep your home cooler with far less energy. Difficulty opening or closing your windows. Over time, window frames can warp, swell, or shift, especially when exposed to the harsh Gilbert climate. If your windows stick, jam, or feel unstable when operating, it's a sign the frame may be failing. Not only is this frustrating, but it can also pose safety concerns in emergency situations. Vinyl windows are designed to operate smoothly year-round and resist warping, making them a smart upgrade for long-term performance. Noticeable drafts or hot spots. Walk around your home and feel for temperature changes near the windows. Drafts or hot areas are clear indicators that your windows are no longer sealing properly. This usually happens when seals deteriorate or frames shift over time. Vinyl replacement windows are engineered with tight seals and insulation to eliminate drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, even during extreme weather. Condensation between the panes. Moisture buildup between window panes means the seal has failed. Once this happens, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, and the window loses its efficiency. Not only does this lead to cloudy, unattractive glass, but it also signals that the window is no longer performing the way it should. Upgrading to high-quality vinyl windows restores clarity and ensures better energy efficiency for years to come. Fading furniture, flooring, or decor. The Arizona sun is intense, and older windows often lack proper UV protection. If you've noticed your carpets, couches, or wood floors fading, your windows may be allowing too much UV light into your home. Modern vinyl windows come with advanced coatings that significantly reduce UV exposure, protecting your interior finishes and maintaining your home's value. Visible damage or decay. Cracked frames, peeling paint, or rotting wood are clear signs that window replacement is overdue. Damage not only affects curb appeal but can also allow water infiltration and even pest intrusion. Vinyl windows don't rot, peel, or crack, making them an ideal low-maintenance option for Gilbert's hot and dry climate. Excess outside noise. Are you hearing more neighborhood sounds than you used to? As windows age, their ability to block noise diminishes. Vinyl windows with double or triple pane glass help insulate your home from outdoor noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing environment. Upgrade to vinyl windows for comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. Replacing your old windows with vinyl is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's comfort, energy savings, and long-term performance. With better insulation, smoother operation, and excellent durability, vinyl windows are perfectly suited for Gilbert homeowners looking for reliable, low-maintenance solutions. If you're seeing any of these signs, now is the perfect time to explore your vinyl window replacement options and enjoy a more efficient and comfortable home all year long.